Bonjour YouTube, welcome back to our channel.
Today we are having a grocery haul. In this episode we will be showing you what we bought from our grocery shop.
Now this is basically what we get for ourselves to last us around 4 or 5 days. And this video is just to show you how much it costs and what we eat, and if you are to move to France or if you want to know how much it costs to be eating here for the house, because we cook as well. We don't eat meat or anything of that sort, so this video is going to be mainly for vegetarians or if you want to do a vegetarian diet. So we've got, what do we have? We have the radish.
Yes.
I like to make salads out of it, but
I don't eat that.
Sinan doesn't like radish.
Even the look looks weird.
Why? You just break this off and you eat the red things. You don't eat the grass. You don't eat the leaves.
No, the issue is not the grass. I don't like this.
The roots?
Yes, it looks so weird.
But it's a root.
It looks like a rat. It's like a rat. It's a dead rat.
Tell us, does this look like a rat? Because
I
it
don't
doesn't
know.
look like a rat to me. Onion is also root. Look.
No, I like onion. So what else we got?
We've got mushrooms. We get the white mushrooms like that.
Yeah.
These are the most easily foundable.
Sometimes
you
we
can find
get
it
brown
anywhere.
ones.
Yeah, I like to make, we put them into everything. We put them into salads, baking, or anything of that sort. You may have noticed that there is no bread on the table. It's because it's summer and we don't like to eat bread in the summer. It's too hot and it's too much. Usually we get tradition, which is a little bit higher in price. It's just a step up from the regular baguette. It's not because it's higher in price. There's only like 15 centime difference or something like that. It's like usually €1.20, €1.15. But that just because we like the taste more, it tastes so much better.
And the texture is different.
Yeah, and it's really, really nice and it lasts you a very long time.
Yeah, you don't need to eat on the same day, you can have it next day. But with baguette, you need to finish on the same day.
Now, we've got bell pepper, the green bell pepper.
It's yellow, no?
It's bell pepper, yellow, yeah. So,
You said green.
is it? Did I say green?
Yeah.
Ah, it's yellow pepper. I'm not colorblind, I promise. Then you've got the courgette, or zucchini I think it's in English, and it's yellow.
Courgette is the same?
It's zucchini, no? Courgette, zucchini.
Oh yeah, zucchini.
So this one is the yellow one, and we've got the green one as well.
Green one. Yeah.
These ones, they're quite cheap. You get like for less than €1. Depends on the weight, and you just like stick your finger in there.
Yeah.
I love this because I can make the pasta out of them. Instead of the pasta, you just do the courgette. You peel this and you make the actual noodles from it, or pasta itself, and then you just fry it. It's really nice. It's a really cool thing. Do you like courgette?
No, I don't like courgette.
You see what I mean? Like, it makes it look like he's not eating. It's a lie. He says that he doesn't like it, but you know what? When I cook it, he eats, and he actually eats it faster than I do, and...
And the next one is
Cabbage.
Cabbage.
Do you like cabbage?
Yeah, fine.
Thankfully. Something.
But I prefer lettuce.
But they're
But
different.
this time that we didn't get lettuce, we got cabbage. Yeah.
Yeah. We swap between them,
Yeah.
because for salads, I mean, it's really nice to have. We've got the red onions. Red onions are here. Then avocado, tomatoes.
It's not cherry tomato, it's just normal one.
It's normal ones, yeah. But we have the cherry tomatoes as well. They are right here.
Oh yeah.
These ones are my favorite because you can easily adjust, like you just keep them in the fridge and then you just throw them into a salad or on the side of any dish, right? And then you just put some olive oil on top of that and it's just...
The packaging
fantastic.
looks plastic, but
Yeah, it's a
that's
bit
the only
bad.
way.
That's-
That's the only
yeah.
option they have, unfortunately.
Unfortunately.
Yeah.
Lemon,
Yeah.
just because. And this is melon. These ones you just pay for them by piece. They don't weigh them, thankfully. Imagine if you had to weigh this. That would be crazy because inside you've got the middle part with all the seeds. Imagine how much it would cost. Cucumbers.
Yes.
And then of course some grass. This is thyme. Ah, I love this. This is the best thing. And I use it all year round. Even though in winter it's obviously dry. The thing in France, what I really like, is that you can't buy the same thing all throughout the year. They sell things that are in season. So if something is not in season, you're not gonna find it. Unless you go to like a big store, fancy store in Paris and then in the center somewhere, and then
Yeah.
Maybe you'll find something that's imported, but we don't usually buy it. I mean, we buy local. Even like within the EU, we don't usually buy stuff from other countries. If we see France, we buy France. We don't buy Netherlands or whatever. Sorry, but like we think the less it travels, the better it is for people and for the vegetables themselves. You know, it has to be local. My favorite thing is this. I love this. This is Leek. I love this because you can easily, you can do it in, like you can add it to anything.
How do you cook
Omelets.
this?
Huh?
How do you cook this?
Well, I usually what I do, I start with the leaves. So for one dish, I will do the leaves only, and then
You finish the leaves in one dish?
it depends on how many people are eating. Like if it's both of us, then I can cut half of this, and then I can use it in the omelette, or I can use it in some, I don't know, some side dish for whatever,
in,
you know.
in winter we were having pizzas or what was it?
Quiche,
Quiche
yeah,
with leek.
with leek.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's really nice.
It's nice.
It's super nice. I love this, and this
Since
is not
I'm not
expensive.
cooking, so I don't know.
And then we've got some spinach.
Yeah.
Epinard. This is so cheap. This is like 99 centimes, and the price hasn't changed, thankfully. And this is just what 125 grams, but it lasts you like 2 dishes, I think.
Yeah.
Usually it's 1-2 dish. Like, if you fry it, of course it shrinks, but if you eat it fresh like that, or if you add it in the salad on top, it's really nice. Then the eggs, 12 pack, €2.45. We love these ones because they are
Open
local.
air. No, not only local air. Local is also it's open air.
Yeah.
So chickens are just walking around and then laying out
And
whenever
they feed on
want.
the grass, they walk
Yeah.
around the pastures and stuff like that. They walk around.
It's not like they are kept in a cage or something like that, and they are forced to do.
They're basically
Cage or-
free range chickens.
Yes,
they
free
can walk
range,
around.
yeah.
Not free range, it's free range. In general, with the eggs, what I was gonna say is that when I see that it's like under a big brand like Carrefour or whatever, yes, I know you buy it from the supermarket, it belongs to Carrefour, yada yada yada. But we still try, if we are going to supermarket, we still try to support a smaller brand. Like for instance, if I want to get sparkling water, I will not get Perrier or I will not get San Pellegrino because it's a huge corporation. I will go and I'll buy local. I'll buy something like Saint-Pierre, for example. It's like a local brand. It's a local smaller company. They have the bottles 100% recycled plastic, so they're actually doing things, and plus they're local. It's always better to buy local. That's it. That's my
Yeah, because it's
philosophy.
mineral water, but you cannot do that to other drinks. For instance, if I want to get iced tea, I go for big brands.
Yeah.
Like Coke.
Yeah.
If you are having mineral water or water, yeah, it's possible.
If you have a choice, I
I
think
mean-
when you have a choice, you should go local.
I wouldn't buy an iced tea if it is local. I never seen. Yeah, there are some brands, but I wouldn't.
Why?
It doesn't work with me.
Pourquoi?
I don't know. I don't trust another brand.
Really?
Yes.
So we are done with eggs,
Yeah.
and then of course, because we're in France, we cannot be without cheese. We have to have our cheese, and you know, as vegetarians, we need to have our B12 vitamin, and we get it from the cheese, and we get it from the eggs, and so these are the only animal products that we have in the house. So for the cheese, this time we got 4 packs of mozzarella. This is a baby. No, it's not the baby mozzarella. It's just normal mozzarella, but the young one. So it's like a bowl of it. And then of course we got camembert. This is from unpasteurized milk. A lot of people would probably be criticizing us for this. We don't normally eat like cheese that's unpasteurized, but we do buy it every now and then. In France it's allowed, and I've read somewhere that from like basically so from the gut perspective, it's good to have it sometimes for your stomach and digestive system. So I get this and I trust these people. This is a local brand from Normandy, and this is camembert.
I like camembert.
It's your favorite, no?
Yeah.
Camembert and Colomiers as well,
Yeah.
I think.
But in summer, mozzarella is very nice. It's
Yeah.
cold, fresh.
Yeah.
It's very nice in summer, especially. Because I don't eat mozzarella in winter so much.
It's not nice.
No, not in winter, but in
Yeah.
summer, definitely it's very nice.
Because we're vegetarian, we don't buy meat or anything of that sort. Sometimes we buy substitutes for the meat. We don't buy them often because we know it's not that good to buy it very often and eat it all the time. And this one is, what is this one? It's galette. It's basically like a burger pate, but it's with spinach, Emmental cheese, and multigrains. So it's like that.
You can make burger out of them. I mean,
Yeah.
you can just prepare some salad
Yeah.
and fries if you want. Yeah, in winter we're having this so much,
Yeah.
but summer we don't eat.
That much because
Yeah,
it's hot.
Yeah.
It's not nice to have like baked things, whatever. So in summer, our menu is usually like something like this, and then with like omelets and stuff like that, you know. There is one more thing that I forgot to show. Stay there. And of course, we have a separate thing, which is ayran.
Yes, ayran.
Tell us about it.
Well, it's a Turkish drink. It's made out of yogurt and salt.
Yeah.
It's just very fresh. You can have it anytime.
It's super refreshing.
Well, whenever I have ayran, it makes me sleepy and it puts me in just bed and I sleep until next day.
Doesn't happen to me.
It
I
happens
just
to
feel
me all the time.
refreshed.
Yeah. I don't know why, but because
How
of
much is
milk.
this? Because this is bought from a Turkish store. It's not bought from.
I think,
Carrefour.
yeah, it was 1.40.
We get it especially in the summer because it's cold and refreshing. It's so good. So money, all of this, with the exception of eggs because we bought them separately, this was 37.39 euros.
Almost 13.
Almost 38. The eggs are 2.45, and then the ayran is
1.40.
That's it.
Yeah.
So this is what would cost you. What all of this would cost you,
Mhm.
and it would last you. It lasts us around 4 or 5 days maximum.
Yeah.
It's not gonna last a whole week. There's no way we would eat this in
And
less
please,
than that.
and there is also there's something I would like to mention. The inflation rate
It's
increased.
coming up. Yeah.
It already came,
Yeah.
and because of that reason, the prices went up.
A bit.
It's
Yeah.
not crazy, but still,
Yeah.
it went up, especially for vegetarians. I mean, you can feel it.
You can feel it because, like, for instance, like all of this would cost us at least like 5 euros less before,
Yeah.
and now it's that much, you know, and it's just a little bit concerning because like we haven't officially hit the inflation yet, so we don't know how much that's gonna cost. We don't know how much it's gonna go up by. Oh, and another thing, we can't buy more than one bottle of oil
Oh yeah.
per person.
Now they change it.
No, you get still the same. I went to the store day before yesterday, and it still says there is still paper hanging saying that if you want to buy oil, it's only one bottle per person. So of course I went and I got the biggest bottle because at the end of the day.
The funny part was, while they put that affiche, the warning papers saying you cannot buy more than one in Carrefour especially, they also put a promotion saying get 2 and then you will get 30%. So I just got 2 olive oil. It's not in a plastic, but it's in a glass
Yeah.
bottle. And then I went to the cashier, and then she was like, "Oh, it's not possible, and you cannot buy 2." I said, "I know, but you already put it promotion.
Yeah.
If it is not possible, why did you put promotion then?" I said, "There is a promotion." She was like, "Oh, okay, yes, you can just buy it then." I mean, I don't know, it's just weird. But in Turkish store, they put it in the beginning and then they just realized it doesn't work and then they just removed it.
I don't know why we have a shortage with olive oil, especially because like olive oil is produced either locally or in Italy or in Morocco or in countries that are nearby.
Plus colza, we have colza in France. It's
Colza is growing everywhere, but we don't use colza oil.
Yeah, we don't use it.
Yeah.
Of course, I'm just saying it.
Especially after we found out that there are trains that run on colza oil. So if a train is running on an oil, I don't think it's a good idea to consume that. We hope that this video was useful for you. If you're planning to move to France, this is what you can expect in terms of vegetable prices and stuff like that. If you would like us to take you to a supermarket in France, let us know in the comments below and we will take you to a supermarket so you can see it yourself. And if you have any questions about the food or vegetables or anything of that sort, let us know. Tell us which vegetable you hate the most and tell us which vegetable you love the most.
Thank you for joining us. If you'd like to see more of these videos, please don't forget to like, share and comment below. And until next week,
Eat your vegetables.